I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 4 of how to complete the Docgen database for a transfer matter, the collaboration screen. Now, obviously, I've already captured my transfer with all the relevant parties, and we're now going to complete the fourth bit of the Docgen. Right, so highlight the matter on the matter screen, click on the Docgen database icon, and into the transfers database we go. Right, select the collaboration screen, and you will note that my lodging agents are already filled in for me. This is because the program has brought them in from the setup defaults, and if you need some assistance on this, please have a look at our webinar on how to set up defaults for a transfer matter. Right, now you will notice that existing bond and new bond are highlighted and active. And this is because at the general screen, I've told the program that there is a bond to be cancelled and that the buyer will be registering a new bond. Okay, so at existing bondholder, we click on the ellipse button and this will take us into the address book, and you will note that the program has filtered by banks or by financial institutions. Now, I'm going to select First Rand Bank as my existing bondholder. If the financial institution in question does not appear here, you can simply add it. And if you need assistance on this, please have a look at our webinar on how to use the address book. So I highlight the bank in question, click on the select button, and in it comes. And I can insert the seller's loan account number here in the account number field. At the cancellation attorney field, again, I simply click on the ellipse button. Again, this will take me into the address book, and this time the address book has filtered by attorneys. And once again, I can select the cancellation attorney from the list of attorneys here. And again, if it doesn't exist, I can simply insert it on the fly, highlight the party in question, click on the select button, and in it comes. Now, as soon as I've received my cancellation figures and the account from the cancellation attorney, I can insert the cancellation costs here, and this amount will carry through to the seller's final account, which you can then calculate on registration. If the cancellation attorney falls outside of the deeds office time or is outside of the area prescribed by the Deeds Registries Act, and they are using a lodging agent, once again, you can click on the ellipse button and the program will take you into the address book and filter by attorneys. Right, at the new bond, again, as for the existing bond at institution, we can click on the ellipse button and the program will take us into the address book, and once again, will have filtered by banks or financial institutions. In this instance, I'm going to select Absa Bank for the buyer's new bond. So highlight the party, click on select, and it will bring in the relevant bank for the new bond. Now, when was the bond granted? We simply click on our little calendar icon and we can go back and select the date on which the bond was granted. So select the date, click on the tick, and in it comes. Again, we can also insert the amount of the bond. So let's say the purchaser's bond was for 1.5 million. And once again, this amount will carry through to the buyer's final account and offset against the purchase price. At registering attorney, as with cancellation attorney, we simply click on the ellipse button. The program will open the address book, and again, we're filtered by attorneys, and we can simply select the bond attorney. And again, if the bond attorney is using a correspondent, we simply add that in the same manner.